Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine. I'm making this video for all those people who think that who cannot make videos. The reason behind is I am very good in you can say that making of videos. Right now, still a lot of people better than me. But why I'm doing this because you need to think about your future right now. If you are not thinking, if you are not doing something for your future, tomorrow it will be not possible for you. So you need to take a action right now. And you know that a lot of people like a lot of companies, big companies like invest millions and trillions of money on advertisement. So what you are doing for your own advertisement, you are the product, you are like giving your services. So you need to make your own videos where you are helping people whatever skills you have. If you are a math teacher, you start making a math videos. If you are a developer, you can make videos related to development side. If you are anything you know about any like mechanic, you can make a videos about like cars or bike or anything related to your field. And you start making your videos now because everyone like whatever you have skills, they are trying to know about it. And the best way is like why YouTube is here, you are sharing information with other people. And maybe like first year or first month no one watch you, but after some time when people like you're mature in your work, when you are making a lot of videos and you know that how to use a keywords, how to you make a titles, how to link videos with others, like you know that how the system is working on the YouTube. So you will like earn money from it. And it's not easy for the starting for the new people. But let us suppose if you start for a long time, after like 5 years before, right now you are earning something. And you are like very happy if you take that time a step. But now it's very easy because internet is superb, their quality internet, like even you can get a 4 MB or 8 MB in very cheap price. Even you can use with your mobile phone. The data packages are very great. So uh, you need to produce something, because it's really feel bad when I watch a lot of videos with lot of people and they are masters in their field. And I feel that I am nothing. So I think you feel also that you are nothing, because all the time we are watching something on the YouTube and on other platforms. But what we are doing, we are not producing things. We need to produce things. We need to more visible to this digital world. So you need to record a good whatever skills you have. You need to try it. And hopefully like it will be beneficial. And even it is not beneficial for right now, maybe after some time, because one thing helpful for the other in other ways. Like we don't connect the dots right now. uh, it will be like motivation, like if I can do, the other people also do. But the thing is, you need to like learn English. At least you should, if like it's not a bad thing you are using Urdu or Hindi. मैं अभी भी उर्दू इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन बात ये है कि इफ़ यू गो फॉर इंग्लिश, it will be good for like your audience will be increased. If you are like really want to work for your own country or own people, that is it is good, you can make your own like in Hindi and in English. But if you work for the global, because English is like everywhere. So if you make your videos, because like the people who can speak Urdu or English, he can easily understandable English as well. He cannot speak, but they can understand if there is because normally we can. It's difficult for us to understand their accent, because our accent is like we are speak English even in Urdu accent, so it will be easy for them to understand what we are saying here. So try to make your videos help people. It's a sadka jariya, is a charity, it's beneficial for you and your family. You actually helping your own community. You are adding a value in people's life. Most important thing is because now the days we all know that if you are going to office and sitting over there and not producing anything, maybe they are like not fire you, they give you the money, but you realize that you are not adding value in the people's life. So um, you not feels good, and even company not feel good for you. Like company can easily replace you. So you need to do what things where you cannot replaceable, where you are adding a value in people's life. And it's difficult, right? Because we are not trained like them. But when you start doing this, after some time it will be easy, because life is totally like every day there is a change. So if you like take this little step, it will be helpful. Thank you for right now. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching me. Hope this video will help and increase value, add value in your life. Thank you.